Hi, Opterix has just made it super easy to generate sales orders. It's easy as uploading an Excel. To demonstrate, I have created this small Excel with a few items with their descriptions, quantities, units, rates. And now I will launch Opterix by going to this icon. Opterix launches with this new landing page and it is greeting me with my name. Now I have this thing called pinned activities where I have kept quotation as one of the frequently used activities I have. So I click on that. Here I select a project such as the Leela Mega project and hit this button called generate quotation. Here it shows that there is a mandatory field called deliver to. So I pick a deliver to location and then I pick the Excel that I had just created earlier for this purpose. This Excel is called this test BOQ. So I select that and that's it. The Excel is shown here. It is showing all the fields that are there and I say stage 7 rows. As you can see, all the data in the Excel, including the serial numbers, category, description, quantities, everything has been imported here and the totals have been calculated here. So this quotation is pretty much ready. I can just hit save. And when I hit next, I'm taken to this place where my document is ready for printing like this. I can just use this print option and print it and that's it. I'm done. Let me now show you how to make edits to the quotation. To make an edit, I am back in the Opterix landing page and look at this now, recent activities. This shows the documents I have been working on lately. And here is the quotation we just created earlier. I click on that and it shows me the earlier quotation. Now, if I want to make any changes, I can just do that. Say if I want to change the rates, I can just change them, etc. If I want to change the text, I can do that here. And if I want to add a new record, I just hit this new record like that. I have filled up this form and I can just hit done and that's it. This new row has come up here. Similarly, we can add as many rows as we want and the form gets saved automatically. Hit next and click on this document icon to view the document in a printable format. This document is now ready to be printed on an A4 size paper and sent to the client again. You too can make your sales process really efficient with Opterix. Call us to find out more.